Hello everyone, our team name is No Rocket. I'm Mina. He's Leo, she's Gio, and Ryan, and Jetty. Our experiment name is the circular motion in 0G. It's an experiment to observe the special circular moving system in microgravity. We thought about an experiment to demonstrate the theory. When centripetal force suddenly disappears and an object will move along the tangential direction. In that experiment, we saw that the ball was replaced in a container and spun around. And when we remove the container, the ball's movement matches the theory of tangential direction. This made us wonder, if we replace the container with a transparent closed pipe, how would the pipe be affected by the rotating ball under the microgravity environment? After these questions, we started looking for some equipment that can be used in our experiment. And then we found the aluminum ball and the transparent pipe. In this experiment, we just used some very simple equipment like markers, scissors, measuring tool, scotch tape, tape, and of course, a transparent pipe and aluminum ball.
In our experiment, we have position of the aluminum ball as the thing we'd like to try. And we will mark 3 different positions of the pipe, which is the top, middle, and bottom place of it, resulting 3 different or same behavior for us to observe. And next, let's talk about how to operate this experiment. We first put an aluminum ball inside the pipe. It's very simple. And next, sealing the pipe. Once the aluminum ball is placed inside the pipe, use the tape to seal it. After the pipe is sealed, mark the top, middle, and bottom position of the pipe. Those are the supporting lines for astronaut to place the ball accurately on the position.
Step 4. Let the astronaut use their 3 fingers to hold the pipe, then start to rotate. As the speed gets faster, the aluminum ball will start circling in the pipe. Till this step, our experiment is 80% done. Then, to make sure there are no other forces affecting the pipe, we need to hold it for a while before we releasing it. Lastly, release the pipe and observe its motion under 0G environment.
So that was basically a full round for 1 experiment, and we need to repeat the experiment for 2 times from steps 4 to step 6, and trying 2 different other independent variables in this case. Once you finish the repetitive experiments completely, then congratulations, you finished the whole process. Sorry. Then moving on to the prediction part of our experiment. The theory applied within this system included Newton's first law of inertia and conservation of energy. So when F1 here is representing the tangential force at the very first moment, the energy loss of it is the least. Therefore, the horizontal force of F1 and F3, F1 is greater than F3, same action here for F2. So by combining these 2 factors, we can see that the overall trajectory will look something like this as the picture shown on the right. The reason for this is that the resultant force depends on F1 and F2, 2 major forces of the system, bringing the entire pipe to the left and downwards. And that moment of inertia with the system originally, creating those circular loops by loops. So overall, causing the pipe to behave in such a model as we predicted.
Okay. So this is basically our whole circular motion experiment. We are Team No Rocket. Thank you very much.